Best AI video generators. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the best AI video generator tools that you can use to make YouTube videos, Instagram videos, reels, shorts, etc. So all you have to do is just write a simple text and just create a creative video using the AI tool. So let's get started. So I have top 5. So I have listed down. So as we all know that there are so many AI tools available out there in the market, but I have shot down the 5 best AI tools that I have used myself and fell in love with. That I have used myself and I love them all. So let's get started with the first one. First one that I have is the Synthesia AI tool that will turn your text to videos in minutes. So the platform claims that it is one of the most powerful AI software tools that can create videos in minutes. So the simple way is to use it to just use a prompt or a text. So for that you can use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to generate a simple to generate your script for the video. And once you have the script or the video, just simply log into the Synthesia account, just enter the script, and after that the beautiful AI video will be right in front of you. The next one that I have is the InVideo AI, and the InVideo AI is equally amazing in its performance because I have used it myself and have created multiple videos. So all the tools that I am recommending you right now, tried and tested. So in the AI you have multiple options available for use. For example, you can use text to video, so just describe your idea optionally and add details such as video length, platform, voiceover, accent, and watch as the video gets generated. It's very simple to do that. And you can also edit with the text prompt, so you can use the prompts and big or small changes in the generator videos with simple text commands, and just like you would do in a video editor. So it's quite simple there too. And you can also create in all languages. So there's so many languages available in InVideo AI. So the language is not the barrier with this particular AI tool, but it gives you the variety or option to choose from. You can also use clown voice with AI, and there are so many multiple options that you can go for. And so the next one in my list, I have the Happier AI tool. So in this AI tool, as you will read about it, they will say that so Happier is a very powerful perpetual foundational model driven AI and designed for a path new toward AGI, which is artificial general intelligence, which is getting very popular these days. So they are not building a very just simply open the Happier AI website and just explore the ham, and all you have to do is you can create a video with the text. So if you are using the video with the text option, just simply add the script there and the AI tool will create a video for you. Or you can also use animation in your image. So just simply upload the image and use animation. Just simply log in with your credentials and start using it. It's very impress you, I'm telling you. And the next one in my list I have is the Runway ML. So Runway ML is another very powerful AI tool, let me tell you guys. So all you have to do is so just simply log in the account and just start exploring the application. So Runway has also recently introduced Gen 3 Alpha. It's a new frontier for video generation, and it has also mitigating stereotypical biases in text to image generative systems. So it gives you a variety of options to choose from basically, and it will make your videos look as real and as close to the real human generated video. You can't even detect with the naked eye. So yeah, just simply log into the account and just click on try Gen 3 Alpha. You can also watch the video in order to see how this works. So yeah, just simply go ahead and explore the Runway AI if you're looking for. The thing is that this one is paid, so you have to choose accordingly. So if you are on a budget, so you can choose the free ones that I have recommended you earlier. But not the least on my list is the Dream Machine Luma AI. Yes, I hope most of us have already used it in some way or the other. It's very beautifully designed AI tool which is very easy to use and has also so many options to explore. Just simply click on try now, use your credentials. Actually, I have made an account earlier and I have created videos right there. Just simply add images for the reference and also add the script to make the changes and just wait for the magic to be done. This is how simple it is to create videos in the Luma AI Dream software. 5 top recommendations for the AI video generators for you. Just go ahead and explore and just find the one you like the most. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you the next time. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.